Celebrity Juice fans are convinced they've worked out who will replace Holly Willoughby as a team captain on the Wild ITV2 show. Television beauty Maya Jama spent a fun-filled day with host Keith Lemon recently, which sparked speculation she will be the show's new star. Bookies Ladbrokes have even placed BBC star Maya odds on at 5/6 to scoop the coveted and fill the spare team captain seat. Maya's day of filming, which she documented on her Instagram page, dropped a huge hint of a joint project. She was spotted shooting scenes with Keith at the Shisha Gardens in London wearing a multicolored knit bodycon dress. Read more related articles. Meanwhile, Keith, real name Lee Francis, wore a pop art inspired shirt and shorts complete with a black hat. Now we're basically busies, before she added, coming soon. Giving nothing away, Keith then replied, fun times. Thanks for playing out. Read more related articles. Celebrity Juice fans were quick to speculate that Maya will join the hilarious show. Taking to the comments section of Maya's Instagram post, one fan penned, "I bet you are going to be the new captain for Celebrity Juice." Another excited follower added, "New Celebrity Juice team captain." A third person said, "Are you going to be the new captain on Celebrity Juice? Really hope so." Holly, 39, stunned her fans in May when she announced she was stepping down as a captain of Celebrity Juice. The This Morning favourite said she's stepping down from the show, which made her famous, after 12 years in the captain's seat, so she can spend more time with her family. Since then, the rumour mill has been in overdrive about who could replace Holly on Keith Lemon's show. There has been many stars tipped to fill Holly's shoes, such as her pal Fern Cotton, who was one of the original team captains on the programme. As well as Maya, other names thrown into the ring are chorus star Michelle Keegan, Made in Chelsea's Jamie Lang, and Gogglebox favourite Scarlett Moffat.